Hey y'all, it's Gucci and I'm back. And this time I'm on the laptop. Yes, 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 yes. So if you are an already subscriber, I'm gonna say that, or part of the Gucci gang, you know that a couple of months ago I got a silhouette, even though I'm still Team Cricket to the death of me. You know what I'm saying? And these nails are still messed up though. Anyway, so I've been promising that I was going to do some kind of tutorial on the cameo, and I said I just need to really get my footing with the Silhouette Studio, and so I want to show you guys how to make a very simple logo with the Silhouette Studio Business Edition. The Business Edition is a beast, like a beast, a beast, a beast. In June, I am going to be teaching some classes on Silhouette Cameo. On Silhouette Cameo Cricut crossover. So it's going to be Silhouette Cameo Cricut crossover. For our Cricut users that are out there, you don't have to buy the machine. Just purchase the software and you're able to do so much and bring it over into Cricut. If you follow me on Facebook, which is Gucci Wilson, I do accept all friend requests and let's just like go. Okay? I gotta remember to look this way with this camera, not on my phone. Anyway. So if you follow me on Facebook, I did a live last week on how I made some t-shirts, the actual design for the t-shirts that were in my last week Wednesday's upload. Amaya's Doc Mixed Up in t-shirts. They came out so cute, the t-shirts and the shoes. And I actually built that design within the Silhouette Studio. I'm not as great with the Silhouette Studio as I would like to be. Or as far as I am with Cricut itself, like I've mastered Cricut, even with their little updates. But the Silhouette is still new to me, so I'm still taking baby steps. But I did learn how to do this that I'm about to show you guys. And I'm really excited about it, that I got it down, and it's very, very simple. Again, the software is a beast. So let's jump right on into it. So again, I have the Silhouette Studio Business Edition. I've opened up just a new window here, and you can do that just by clicking on here. It'll go to new. You see now I have two untitled little sections here. And so what I want to do is I want to make a cute little logo for a friend of mine that has a beauty supply. Okay, so Cricut users, get ready. I'm telling y'all, this is exciting. Okay, so I'm going to click on my Google button. And I found the picture that I want. And this is this one. Now watch this. Watch. Copy image. Paste front. What? You didn't have to save it? Lord, yes. Y'all be so excited. Okay, so now that we got her in here, you see that she still has this little background here, right? So let me show y'all with Cameo, how Cameo just be showing up. So we're gonna highlight her. Look at her highlighting, right? What I did is I clicked the trace button, right? So going over here, select, and I did select trace area, all right? And so this threshold helps to move it up. See, I don't want all that, and down, right? So I want it at about 84. It always starts out at 45, no matter what you bring in. But as you can see, it's not getting all of those lines. So everything that I want it to turn this yellow color, okay? So we were at about 84, where it looked good to me. We can maybe even go 85. We can maybe go 85. And you can move the threshold by moving this little triangle here or using the up and down arrows on the side. This despeckle button here, like if you went all the way up and you kept going, you can't really see the subtle changes, but what the despeckle is doing is it's taking out all those little like unwanted pieces. And actually, I mean, she even looks good at 92, but that's with the speckle threshold at 71. So if we brought that speckle threshold back down, we get like a little bit of rigidness in there. And so I'm going to take her back down to 84 because that's where I like her at. And I'll keep my speckle threshold at 0. And so Pay attention. Trace and detach. I know you lied. Look at that. I now have a transparent background. Yes, I do. Now, if I wanted to go a little bit more advanced, I could keep tracing her to get these white lines out in order to change those another color. I think if I go trace by color, this might work, this might not work, y'all. I know I'm new to this, but let me see. If I go trace by color, and I go to all areas, and I have to move the tolerance. See, it wants to give me a bunch of stuff, and I don't want that. I just want the little lines. I just want the little lines. But it's not letting me do it. So scratch that. We're gonna leave her like this because I'm gonna show you what we're about to do with her. Yes. All right, so now that we have our lady here, right? I need to add my friend's business name. So I'm gonna go over here to text. That little A is the text button, and I'm gonna type in Linda's Beauty Supply. And now I want to change the text. I'm gonna highlight it. I'm gonna go over here to this A. And I can play with the fonts and see which one I think looks pretty. And I actually like this one, to be all honest with you. Let's see. Let's see how this one looks. I don't really like that. You can't really make out her L. So I'm gonna double click it to get it back, highlight it again. That's pretty cool. So let's choose that one. So I'm gonna actually I'm just gonna click it to highlight it. I'm gonna go over here to the little paint dial thing, whatever you wanna call it. And I am going to select the color black. Okay, so I want her to be black. I want to change her line color to the color that I changed it to, so that when I take it into another program, when I save it as a PNG, it won't have those red lines around it. So I'm going to click on this button. This is for lines. Okay, you can do it the line thicker. You can, it's already as thin as it can get. You can change how the edges look, so on and so forth. Then we can go here to line color, and I'm gonna change it to black. So now that line color is black and my font is black, right? So I'm gonna bring it over. I'm gonna use my arrow, size it down a little bit. I'm gonna stretch it out a little bit so that that Linda's Beauty Supply is really nice and big. It's visible. And I spelled beauty wrong. Y'all wasn't even gonna tell me. I didn't even notice. Thanks, Silhouette. Now, this is the fun part that you cannot do in Cricut. So this is like a color fill, so you can do it as a solid color, right? Right, you see that? Yeah, whatever. Boring. And if I go here to fill gradient, and I go to advanced options, do you see that? And now what I want to do is I want to switch up the tempo, switch up the colors. Look. Yep. Yep. Look at that. You see that? I see it. Cricut can't do this, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Simple. Beautiful. But it's beautiful. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go over here to the transform panel. And I want to do horizontal. And just like sometimes in Cricut, how it'll, move it. It's lining it up because the way her hair is like that. And I don't really want it like that. So I'm going to eyeball it. And I actually probably want to make it a little bit smaller like that. Move it over a little bit. I have to be a perfectionist. I'm going to highlight this now. I'm going to go over here to my object and I'm going to group it. Grouped. Look at that. Look at that logo. That is a logo. That's a logo. You know why it's going to be a logo? I'm going to put it back here on my canvas. I'm going to go over to File, and I'm going to go to Save as Save to Hard Drive. Now, here's the thing I'm going to do. I'm going to put in Linda Beauty Supply. Yes. First, I'm going to save it as a Silhouette Studio V3 file. And I'm doing that just in case my friend doesn't like the colors or she wants a different font. If I save it as a Studio V3 file, I can come back in here and edit it, okay? Now that I've saved it as a Studio V3 file, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna go back to Save As, Save to Hard Drive. And I'm gonna go down to PNG. I'm gonna go okay. And it's asking me, do I want a transparent background? Yes, I want a transparent background. And I'm going to save. And if you notice, it let me save it with the same exact name, and that's because one is a V3 file and one is a PNG file. Look at that. So now, let's test out our logo. Let's go here to Microsoft Word. Let's close that. Yes, I'll look at that later. And we're gonna go to Insert, Pictures. We're gonna go to Linda, yes, PNG. And we're gonna insert it. Look at Linda. Look, would you, somebody come look at Linda. Would you look at that? Look at that. That is in Microsoft Word. She can use this as, like that. She can use this as her letterhead, whatever the case may be. The way that it came over Microsoft Word to get rid of this little extra part, because I did make it kind of big within Silhouette, we're going to go here. Let me move my camera right over here. We're going to go to Cropped. And we're just going to get rid of that extra space that Microsoft Word picked up. Now we can move her around smaller. We can make her smaller. Put her at the top there. Look at Linda's Beauty Supply with some letterhead, girl. You better quit playing. And look at this. We make her bigger, and she still look good. Simple, 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 simple logo done in the Silhouette Business Edition. Yes. I'm so excited to be Silhouette Studio Business Edition. Let me get the name right. I'm excited to learn more things with the Silhouette Cameo and the Silhouette Studio Business Edition. I'm not going to front like I pulled out the machine and used the machine because I haven't. I've been learning how to use the software and basically interfacing it with my Cricut. Again, coming in June, I'm going to be doing some classes. I'm going to be offering some classes that are Cameo Cricut crossover. And the reason I'm not doing those as YouTube tutorials is because it can get complicated. And it's better to have the live class to have you be able to ask questions and not have to stop or leave all your questions in the comments below my videos. You actually get me live online in your living room, teaching you how to work this stuff. So in June, because by June, I'm going to be half messed up. I'm gonna get it all the way down. You see how I make this logo? Yes. And I'm going to show you guys within those classes just how to build designs and what you have to do to your designs to make them suitable for Cricut with the Silhouette Studio Business Edition. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. For homework, Gucci Gang, if you have the Silhouette cameo, go in and try to make you a logo. Because I did that so simple. Start with something simple like I did. You see, I didn't do nothing elaborate because I'm not at that level yet. I stuck to what I know. But I got it done and I'm so excited. I mean, look at that. You can't make this in Cricut. Maybe if you did a pattern fill and, you know, you found these exact colors, but you could move these colors around and just, you can make them do what they do, baby. Yes. So please like this video, share it, subscribe, save, do what you got to do. I will be dropping links for my June classes soon. I have to get them all together, get y'all syllabuses ready, and get all my content down. So, you know, when I come to you, I come correct. You heard me? All right, y'all. I will see you on Friday.